Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to jump right to it. Got a brand new recipe for you today. I call it the Italian sausage dog. Get ready. Let's give it a try. I'm going to start out with ground Italian sausage. You can use some parchment paper. And we're going to pull out an unspecified amount of the Italian sausage. We're going to press this down. Pull open the mozzarella cheese stick here. And put that down there in the middle of my sausage. And we'll try to use that parchment paper. Tighten that up and roll that in the hand. And it should end up looking a little something like that. This was that special Black Friday special event griddle from Walmart in 2021, and I've got it heated up on low, medium, low here. I have wind guards as well, folks. I want to point that out, okay? So just know your griddle. This thing is pumping out a ton of heat. Olive oil down, and then we're gonna rub that into the griddle top. And down with that sausage and cheese dog. Hear the sizzle. We want lots of cooking action here, lots of flavor. So I'm going down with extra olive oil, and I'm even going to season each side with a little coarse kosher salt. And we're going to slowly roll the sausage dog like that, making sure that every side, both ends, are perfectly cooked. Found these at Safeway, a beautiful artisan roll. When you're making a hot dog sausage sandwich, you run the risk of cutting it down too low and of course the sausage falling through. I'm very paranoid today. So I'm gonna do one of those V cuts in here. I'm not gonna go down very far just because I do not want the roll to collapse on me. Nothing worse than having those rolls break through at the bottom. And so maybe something like that, maybe. Just keep that little doggy rolling like that. Look at that perfect color, okay? You can see the ends here, a little raw, so I'll take those and just press it against that big old piece of steel there in the back of the griddle, and that'll just kind of help to sear those ends up. You can see the color. Look at that, looking gorgeous. You can see a little bit of that mozzarella leaking out at the end there. Now it is pork, I will tell you that. You don't want to goof around. You want to cook internal temp of ground pork to like 160, 165 degrees, and that's something that's pretty much non-negotiable. Some water, and we'll put this down on the griddle top. Close our hood. Generate some steam, a little bit of heat. Of course, that could be a basting dome as well. Now, we're not worried about overcooking these, so not in danger, no open flame here, and it's pork. That thing is like solid grease. So, got a sear on the outside, we're just bringing that internal temperature up. If I was just cooking this here at the house for the family and not doing a video, I probably wouldn't pull this out. But since I mentioned the temperature earlier, let's go ahead and, we'll do an internal reading. Just trying to get in there in the middle of that sausage right there. 145, so definitely a little colder. We want to go up to at least 160 on that. And I think we're finally safe now. We're about 159 to 161. Blackstone warming rack. These things are amazing. So if you're using the small 22-inch, you can use these, but you can also expand them and use them on a big old 36-inch griddle as well. Gonna put that in the back. Grab my roll here, and which I will admit the roll is a little small for this size sausage here, but I think we're gonna make it work today. And we're gonna put that like that. Got some DeLallo pizza sauce. I love this stuff. DeLallo's made in Pennsylvania. That's where I was born and raised. Shout out to anybody watching from Pennsylvania. So a little bit of pizza sauce, or maybe you want to put a marinara on there as well. Provolone in there, something like that, and some pepperoni, a little pepperoni on top, and then I'll put some extra provolone crisscross on the top to kind of seal that all in. let that cheese melt over the course of the next few minutes. It's been about a minute and a half or so, and melted cheese looking perfect. So let's bring this over here. Look at that, by the way. Look at that steam. Got some fresh basil leaves here. Tutto, I believe that's how it's pronounced, Italiano, and just put a little dusting on top like that. Pardon me while I clean up. Oh, so good. And it feels good to be on the back porch again, creating new recipes. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Please leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're watching all of our shows. Watching Nate with Cook, Eat, Repeat, CJ with CJ's First Cooking Show, and of course Desiree, that's Blackstone Betty, with Family Style. And visit us at blackstoneproducts.com. That's going to be your portal for everything Blackstone. But until next time, everybody, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Italian sausage dog.